Eternal night descends. The sun vanishes. You wake up expecting dawn. But dawn never comes. The sky remains an eerie, unending twilight. The sun, our constant companion, is simply gone. Panic sets in instantly. The world as we know it has ended. Without warning, we are plunged into an eternal night. The disappearance of the sun is not just an astronomical event, it's a global catastrophe of unimaginable proportions. A world in freefall, temperature plunge, and ecological collapse. Within hours, temperatures plummet. The warmth we take for granted vanishes. The Earth, once bathed in sunlight, begins to freeze. Plants, reliant on the sun's energy for photosynthesis, wither and die. The food chain collapses, starting with the producers and rippling upwards. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems, meticulously crafted over billions of years, unravels in a matter of days. Humanity in the dark, chaos, hunger, and the fight for survival. Cities, once vibrant hubs of life, descend into chaos. Power grids dependent on solar energy fail. Darkness reigns supreme. Food shortages quickly become a reality. Panic buying gives way to desperation. Humanity, stripped of its primary energy source and facing starvation, fights for survival. The very fabric of society, held together by laws and customs, begins to fray under the immense pressure of survival. Adrift in the cosmic sea, Earth's uncertain future. But the consequences of the sun's disappearance extend far beyond our immediate struggles. Earth, no longer tethered by the sun's gravity, drifts aimlessly into the void. Our planet, once a warm cradle of life, becomes a spaceship hurtling into the unknown. The future is uncertain, fraught with danger, and utterly devoid of the warmth we once took for granted. Can humanity, stripped of its life-giving star, find a way to survive in this new, cold, and unforgiving cosmos? The answer, my friends, lies in the resilience of our species and our ability to adapt. Only time will tell if we are up to the challenge.